The digestive system. The digestive system consists of gastrointestinal tract plus the accessory organs of digestion. Digestion involves the breakdown of food into smaller and smaller components until they can be absorbed and assimilated into the body. The process of digestion has three stages. There are a lot of factors that affect the metabolic rate, so here are three of them. Number 1. Age. As you get older, your metabolic rate generally slows. This is because of a loss of muscle tissue and changes to hormonal and neurological processes. During development, children go through periods of growth with extreme rates of metabolism. Number 2. Physical activity. Exercise increases muscle mass and powers up your metabolic engines, burning kilojoules at faster rate even when at rest. Number 3. Gender. A low resting metabolic rate has been proposed as a possible cause for the increased body fat commonly seen in women compared with men. Absolute resting metabolic rate is higher in men, but whether resting metabolic rate adjusted for lean body mass remains higher is unresolved. Absolute resting metabolic rate was higher in men than women. It all starts in the mouth. Salivary glands secrete saliva which contains enzymes that initiate the breakdown of carbohydrates, and this is a chemical process. It is also where the mechanical breakdown of food begins. It then passes to the pharynx, then to the esophagus, down to the stomach. After, it goes to the small intestine, down to the large intestine. Then it goes to the anus, which is the end of the digestive process. Here we have is a diagram of the chemical and mechanical digestion in the digestive system. What is the fate of the different biomolecules once ingested, and how does the body utilize them in anabolism and catabolism? So here is a diagram of the state of the biomolecules once digested. So the carbohydrates turn into disaccharides, then to sugars, while lipids to fatty acids, then proteins to amino acids. So what is the difference between catabolism and anabolism? So catabolism is the set of metabolic pathways that break down molecules into smaller units that are either oxidized to release energy or used in other anabolic reactions, while anabolism is the synthesis of complex molecules in living organisms from simpler ones together with the storage of energy. First, it involves homeostasis. Your pancreas constantly monitors and controls your blood sugar levels using two hormones. One of them is the insulin. When your blood sugar levels rise after a meal, your pancreas releases insulin. Insulin allows glucose to be taken into cells of your body where it is used in cellular respiration. It also allows soluble glucose to be converted to an insoluble carbohydrate called glycogen, which is stored in the liver and muscles. When your blood sugar levels fall below the ideal level, your pancreas releases a different hormone called glucagon. Glucagon is a peptide hormone produced by alpha cells of the pancreas. It works to raise the concentration of glucose and fatty acids in the bloodstream and is considered to be the main catabolic hormone of the body. It is also used as medication to treat a number of health conditions.